Artificial intelligence is no longer the future, it's the present. Join me as I explore the fascinating world of AI and its impact on our lives. Number 1. What is AI? AI stands for Artificial Intelligence, which refers to a computer system's ability to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. This includes learning, problem-solving, decision-making, and even understanding natural language. Unlike traditional software, AI systems can adapt and improve over time based on the effects of their previous actions. AI leverages advanced technologies like machine learning, where systems analyze patterns and data to make predictions, and deep learning, which mimics the way humans process information. These technologies enable AI to analyze massive amounts of data, recognize trends, and provide solutions or recommendations that are increasingly accurate over time. From chatbots that respond to customer queries to self-driving cars navigating complex traffic, AI is revolutionizing how we interact with technology and the world around us. It's not just about automation, it's about creating smarter systems that enhance human capabilities and solve problems in innovative ways. Number 2. What is the AI revolution? AI isn't just about machines doing human tasks, it's about transforming industries, solving global challenges, and redefining how we live and work. From healthcare to automation, AI is reshaping the world. Number 3. The risks of AI, but with great power comes great responsibility. AI poses serious challenges, like job displacement, privacy risks, and biased decision-making. For instance, machines replacing jobs can create inequality, and biased AI systems can lead to unfair outcomes. It's essential to address these risks as AI becomes more integrated into our daily lives. Number 4. The opportunities of AI despite the risks, the potential of AI is immense. In healthcare, AI helps doctors diagnose diseases more accurately. In industries, it automates tasks, saving time and resources. Natural language processing enables global communication, while computer vision is revolutionizing everything from security to retail. AI's possibilities are endless. Remember when AlphaGo defeated a world champion in Go? That was a defining moment, proving AI's ability to surpass human capabilities in complex tasks. AI is reshaping our world, and we must adapt responsibly. Share your thoughts on AI in the comments below, and don't forget to watch my next video on how AI will impact our daily lives.